हेलो फ्रेंड्स। मैं आपका अपना मनी मित्र लेकर आया हूं एक और नई वीडियो जिसमें हम हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस के बारे में सीखेंगे और जानेंगे कि आपको इसे लेते हुए किन बातों का रखना चाहिए ध्यान। We are also IRDAI authorized health insurance advisors. You can contact us on insure2care@gmail.com for best health insurance in the market. Please like and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. So let's start. Health insurance is a type of insurance coverage that pays for medical expenses during hospitalization and illness. मतलब अगर आप कभी बीमार पड़ते हैं और आपको हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट होना पड़ता है, तो हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस आपके हॉस्पिटल बिल्स का पेमेंट करेगा। There are majorly three types of health insurance. First is individual health insurance, जिसमें the entire sum insured covers only one individual. Second is family floater health insurance, जिसमें the sum insured is shared among all the family members. Third is critical illness insurance, जिसमें आपको कुछ particular critical illnesses में insurance company will provide a lump sum cash benefit. Now, the next question comes, why you need a health insurance? Today's sedentary lifestyle has led to increased occurrence of lifestyle disorders involving heart, cancer, lung conditions, and stroke, and that too at a very younger age. We all know about the rising medical costs these days. In India, the medical inflation is nearly 17% annually, which is much more than the normal inflation. We have seen that even a single hospitalization can eat all your hard-earned money and savings. You definitely need a health insurance to protect your savings. A health insurance ensures that you can afford the best treatments even in the unforeseen medical emergencies. The group health insurance cover provided by your company, which is generally about 2 to 5 lakh rupees, is not at all sufficient for your family. This cover also ends with the loss or change of job. You should definitely have an additional protection over and above your employer cover. Also, you can save income tax by claiming deductions up to rupees 1 lakh under Section 80D against the payment of health insurance premiums. Here are some facts which may shock you, but it will alert you about the rising medical problems in India these days. There are 22.5 lakh cancer cases which are added every year in India, and it is set to rise by 5 times by 2025. Heart attack kills one person in every 10 seconds in India. The cases of kidney failure have doubled in last 15 years in India. There are 17 deaths per hour which are happening due to road accidents in India. A study by Public Health Foundation of India suggested that over 5.5 crore people in India are pushed to poverty every year due to medical expenditures. It has restricted people to take the proper treatment on time, which led to bigger health problems or even unfortunate deaths. How much of health cover is actually required for your family? There is no fixed rule for this, but ideally it depends on how expensive is the city in which you live and any history of family illness. We can say that for a nuclear family living in class A cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Gurgaon, Chennai, etc., the cover should be at least 10 lakh rupees. While for a nuclear family living in class B or C cities like Bhopal, Amritsar, etc., the cover should be at least 5 lakh rupees. Now let's study about few important features which you should look out while buying a health insurance. Pre-existing diseases are the diseases which the insured members already have at the time of buying a health insurance. Generally, the insurance companies covers them after 2 to 4 years. Make sure you don't miss this clause. Remember to disclose all your pre-existing diseases while taking the health insurance. It will ensure the smooth reimbursement claim at the time of hospitalization. Otherwise, your health insurance might get cancelled. Next is co-payment feature. It's the percentage of total hospitalization expenses which will not be paid by insurance company. Rather, it should be paid by the insured person. For example, if the co-payment is 20% and the total bill is rupees 10 lakhs, then rupees 2 lakhs need to be paid by the insured person and only 8 lakh rupees will be paid by the insurance company. Generally, its value is between 0 to 20%. Be aware of this clause in your health insurance. Few of the health insurance plans have some kind of sublimits. It's the maximum limit of the reimbursement done by the company for a particular category in the overall hospitalization bill. For example, if you have a health insurance cover of rupees 10 lakhs, you may have a sublimit of room rent of rupees 3000 per day. But this can cause a lot of financial loss even after taking a health insurance, as the general room rent charges in private hospitals are around 5 to 10,000 rupees a day. Please look out for this kind of clause in your health insurance. It has been seen that medical expenses are also being done before and after the hospitalization for various diagnostic tests, doctor visits, etc. Generally, a good health insurance covers at least 30 days pre and 60 days post hospitalization expenses. Please look out for this feature when you buy a health insurance. No claim bonus or NCB is a kind of bonus which you get on not filing any claim in the year. It's actually a reward for being healthy throughout the year. It is usually 10% to 20% of the sum insured. For example, for sum assured equal to 10 lakh rupees and NCB of 20%, an additional 2 lakh rupees will be added to the basic sum insured, making it to 12 lakh rupees. Few companies reduces this accumulated no claim bonus after you file any claim, but you should rather look out for those policies which keep your accumulated NCB intact in any condition. Due to advancement in medical technologies, there are a lot of surgeries and medical procedures which are done in less than 24 hours. They are also referred as short-term hospitalization. It includes medical procedures like cataract, radiotherapies, chemotherapy, dialysis, angiography, etc. Even they take lesser time, still they are very common and very expensive these days. Some of the insurance providers cover only few daycare procedures while others cover all. You should check the coverage for daycare procedures before selecting the health insurance. Here you can find the details of income tax deductions up to rupees 1 lakh which you can claim under section 80D against the payment of your health insurance premiums. Maximize your tax benefits by taking health insurance for your family and parents. There are a lot of other features of a health insurance which may include free health checkups provided by the insurance company, coverage of ambulance charges, coverage of domiciliary treatments where the patient is treated at home rather than hospitals, coverage of expenses for an organ donor treatment for harvesting of the donated organ. Also, look out if your health insurance covers the alternative treatments taken under Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, or homeopathy. These are some big companies which you can consider for your health insurance policy. Please look out carefully about all the features and points which I have explained earlier for choosing the right policy according to your needs. That's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. We are IRDAI authorized health insurance advisors. You can contact us on insuretocare@gmail.com for best health insurance according to your needs. Please like and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. Have a nice day.